Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. If you're looking for a high-quality planner refill to keep your year organized, then look no further. Today, we're reviewing the best day timer planner refills and organizers for 2025 from Newestor. This 2025 weekly and monthly planner refill is a fantastic addition to your existing binder. It's designed to help you stay on track with your goals and day-to-day tasks. The refill fits perfectly into 3-ring or 7-ring mini binders, measuring 5.5 by 8.5, which is ideal for those who prefer a compact yet spacious planner. It comes with 2 pages per month, featuring ruled daily blocks for easy note-taking and a dedicated calendar section for quick reference. The laminated month tabs make flipping between pages a breeze, and the weekly spread includes a Weeks Focus section, along with a 2-month calendar at the top. This gives you a great overview of your upcoming weeks and helps you plan ahead. But that's not all. The refill also includes extra pages for yearly goals, important dates, and holidays, as well as contact and notes pages. You'll even find a 2-year calendar at the beginning, which is perfect for long-term planning. And if you're someone who likes to plan ahead, there are additional 3-month spread pages for the last quarter of 2024. Another impressive feature of this planner refill is its compatibility. It works with popular binder brands like Daytimer, Franklin Covey, and Avery. So, whether you're using a 7-ring desk-size binder or a classic 3-ring mini binder, this refill will fit seamlessly into your existing planner setup. If you're someone who loves to stay organized and keep track of your goals, this 2025 planner refill is an excellent choice. It combines functionality with elegance, giving you the tools you need to capture your ideas, stay on top of your schedule, and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques. We'll see you next time.